What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, setup, and first review of the Xbox Series S. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Boom. There it is. Wow, it's just small. There it is. Oh, y'all can't be seeing that. I can know that code. Oh, y'all need. Oh, that's not the code. Okay. What's this? Oh, quick start guide. Got the cables, HDMI, power cord, and the controller. Controller for there. Microsoft book. And see some batteries. And that's it. Now we'll be doing first starting it and a setup tour. So now let's take the console out. Hold on. I just flipped the camera angle. Here it is. The back. Oh, I'm tripping. Hold on. My bad. My cousin called me. Here it is. Series S. Alright, now I want to set it up. Turn on the controller. Oh, it's automatically connected. It was plugged up. Keyboard, mouse, Series S plugged up, monitor plugged up. Let me move the Series S over for y'all. There you go.
Sorry not to go in. Okay. US, time to update. We will see turning off the light will help. Let's see. Does that help? Yeah, I guess. Well, let's know when just finished updating. Go into the guide. Update the controller. Oh. I'll get back to you when I finish. Okay, the controller just finished updating. So what to do next? Sign in with the Microsoft account. Let me sign in real quick. Just signed in. I'm about to go in. Hold on. Let's turn the light back on. There we go. download some games and giving y'all a little gameplay. Wait. What's that new option? Wait. Huh? Wait, why can't I install my other games? Last one, that's weird. I don't know.
So this is gonna be my setup tour part of it. So as y'all can see, the new Series S and my controllers, and then we have a keyboard, Booga mouse pad, Booga mouse, like Five Below stuff. Keyboard I got from Walmart, like 40 bucks. And Best Buy, I see them like 60% ones for 35. So I would have got that. Of course, our headset and my monitor. This one is a 60 hertz, but at my dad I have a 75 hertz one. And then cable management. Don't do that. I don't do that stuff. And then I have my games. So here are my games. So I have Cold War, and it's not showing. I didn't install it on my last Xbox I had. I didn't install it on the other one, but I didn't put it in the disc. So I tried to download it. It says that I paid like 44 bucks or something like that. All these games I didn't download my last one I had. So now it won't let me install it. So probably going to have to get another old one, install those games, and then return it. And like GTA, I had GTA on my old Series S too, from my old Xbox One S, and I just had to buy it again for like 30 bucks for some reason. But that was my setup review, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.